Hello po. So for this video ay pag-uusapan po ulit natin si electrochemistry. And this time po, ang kukunin po natin is si free energy. So free energy of this reaction. So yan po yung kanyang overall reaction. And we are to determine if the reaction is spontaneous or hindi. So with this reaction here, makukuha na po natin yung kanyang standard cell potential. So ito po yung kanyang potential values, 0.34 at 0.44. So based on the overall reaction, we can determine kung sino po yung nag-oxidize at kung sino po yung undergoes reduction. So based po dito, Cu2 plus naging Cu na lang po siya. Okay, yung state po niya ay bumaba. So, it means reduction. So, itong si Cu, that one undergoes reduction. And as you can see, si iron solid, it becomes Fe2 plus in aqueous solution. So, nag-increase po ang kanyang oxidation state. And therefore, the iron or yung iron po natin undergoes oxidation. So, that's why from 0.44, yung value niya naging negative 0.44. So, ayan. So, if we will add them together, 0.34 minus 0.44, it will give us 0.78. So, yun po yung ating cell potential dito sa reaction. So, again, that's 0.34, ayan, minus negative 0.44. So, magiging positive po yan. So, that's why it's 0.78. And this is po our formula for the free energy. Delta G or Gibbs free energy is equal to N is the number of moles of electron. F is the Faraday's constant. So, constant na po yan. That's 96,485. At itong EO cell natin is itong nakuha natin na 0.78. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, ilalagay lang po natin yung ating values. So, that's negative. N po natin is 2. That's 2 electrons. 2. Okay, 2 moles of electrons. Times F, which is our Faraday's constant. That's 96,485. So, given na po yan, you can get that from the internet. That's coulomb per mole. Yan siya. Times itong EO cell natin, which is 0.78 joules per coulomb. Okay? So, if we will use our calculator, so cancel po itong mole, cancel coulomb. So, joule na lang po yung natitira. So, if you will use your calculator, 2 times 96,485 times 0.78, it will give you negative 1.5 times 10 to the 5th joule. So, makikita po natin, this is the value of our free energy. That's negative 1.5 times 10 to the 5th joule. So, ang ating delta G, if it is less than 0 po, it is, or the reaction is, spontaneous. Okay? So, because we are asked here, if the reaction is spontaneous, it is indeed spontaneous because our delta G is less than 0.